Hello from Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa. We're going to be going into Disney's California Adventure and then hopping over to Disneyland. Let's go do this. Wasn't even supposed to be here right now when I woke up. This is not what I thought I would be doing today, but here I am, a little underdressed. It's a little chilly and I'm in shorts. When I woke up, I had a view of Incredicoaster and I said to myself, I want to ride that today. So that's where we're gonna go first. There is Grizzly River Run, unfortunately closed. I'm actually not feeling too bad in the sun. In the sun it feels good. In the sun I'm okay, but when I get in the shade then I start shaking. Pixar Pier. There it is, the Capacity Beast Incredicoaster. This thing never has more than a 5-minute wait. In fact, right now, there is no line, which is amazing. Love this ride so much.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
This is the most amount of days I will ever spend consecutively at Disney parks. 3 days, back-to-back, 2 parks. The challenge begins now. I am going to basically live at Disneyland and Disney California Adventure until midnight, Saturday night, so. Incredicoaster. Standby is 5 minutes. That is what I love to see.
I trust you are all insured.
4, 3, 2, 1,
I love Incredicoaster. It is one of my favorite coasters here at Disneyland. I don't know if it quite beats out, Big Thunder Mountain, but just something about it. The music, the jazz music, the Incredibles, just such a good theme. I mean, California Screaming will always be missed, but something about this one, man, gives me the feels. Making our way over to Radiator Springs. Gonna go on Radiator Springs Racers. It is about, I think, an hour-long wait right now. Hopefully, won't wait more than 15 minutes in the single rider line, but it's always hit or miss. Sometimes you'll wait longer, sometimes you won't wait at all. San Francisco is coming along. It is not quite there yet. I think they still have a lot of construction to do, but it is making its way into DCA. Welcome to Cars Land, Radiator Springs. Look at that. Wow. This is such an awesome themed land. It feels like you're actually in the movie, because I know some lands feel like, oh, it is themed to that land, but no, or themed to that movie, but no, this feels like you are in the movie, which I really, really appreciate. There it is, Gateway to Ornament Valley, Radiator Springs Racers, 50 minutes, which is about half, if not even less than half of what it typically is. So, really excited because that ain't too shabby. World only garage in a mirage. Stanley Oasis. Million times better than Test Track. Test Track. I like it less and less every time I ride Test Track, but this ride, I like it more and more. I appreciate the theming, especially when I go on this and then go back on Test Track and then go on this and back on Test Track.
Crazy 'cause I love you, crazy 'cause I care.
Howdy! Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun.
Race, I'm your new crew chief.
I'll tell you what to pitch it hard.
One of the best rides Disney has ever made. Another note as well, single rider line all the way. I waited literally less than 5 minutes, and it's a 50-minute wait. The newest themed land here at Disney California Adventure, and it shows. This land is beautiful. There is the Pim Test Kitchen. This place is so cool. Probably one of the most unique eateries that this park has to offer. I would highly, highly recommend going there if you ever get a chance to come to this park. It has warmed up. It is a beautiful 60 degrees. You got Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout, which is not as good as Cosmic Rewind. This will be the third ride I will have done today, and I haven't even been here for an hour. The wait time is only 15 minutes.
The tour sounded fun. And what name do they call me?
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Such a great ride. I honestly want to say I enjoy it more than Tower of Terror. After doing Tower of Terror again a couple times, I think I might like this one more. I really do. Only waited about 10 minutes. Well worth the wait. Here it is, Hollywood Boulevard. Not that Hollywood Studios Hollywood Boulevard in Florida, but there's Hollywood Studios, but you're in California and you're like an hour from Hollywood, but this isn't Hollywood. It's Hollywood Boulevard at Disney California Adventure, but not Hollywood Studios, but you're in California, so it's like close. It's like kind of like Hollywood, but it's not Hollywood. Mike and Sully to the rescue. 5-minute wait. Very consistent with these literally 5 to 10 minute wait times. No problem. Oh, it's 10 minutes now. Oh no. But this is actually an attraction I have never done before, so we're gonna go get on this. I've been to DCA who knows how many times, and I haven't been on this. And Monsters Inc. was one of my favorite movies growing up, so how I haven't been on this, I don't know, but we're gonna go on it. We got the Monsters Inc. trash cans. I want one of those in my room.
From it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll. It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Schmopsy-Poo!
Oh, goodly dad.
This human child throws me with its tongue out of control. Made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me.
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
It's my birthday. I thought you cared about me.
Come on, this way.
Race you to the scareful.
So much fun. I don't know why I've never done that before, but I'm glad I finally got the opportunity to go on that. So cool. Something I was unsure about was whether or not it was soaring around the world or soaring over California, but it's actually soaring over California right now, so I can compare soaring around the world, which I did a couple weeks ago, to soaring around California. The smell of churros is strong. I could certainly go for a churro right now, even though I did have, Storyteller's Cafe for breakfast. Churros, there's something about churro. Gotta get one of those today. It is soaring over California, and I actually remembered last time I was here, it was soaring over California also.
Store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties.
Oh my.
Disney ride, people clap when it's over. That just tells you how good it is. Soaring over California, truly a wonderful, one-of-a-kind experience. I would say I actually prefer it to around the world, only because I feel it's more unique and I enjoy the views a little more. The quality of the video isn't as good, but the areas that it soars over is truly amazing. Well, I won't be able to go into Disneyland until 11 because that is when the Hopper Pass allows you to go into the other park, so I figured, why not go back to Pixar Pier, hop on Incredicoaster, and the Pixar Pals Fun Wheel with Mickey on it. The Pixar Pal Around. That's what it's called. Got it. I do feel silly. I waited in the standby line, which was only 5 minutes. I mean, they literally have a double loading station, but I waited in the standby line when I could have just gotten a single rider pass, just gone in the single rider line, and waited behind one individual. Never thought I could say I'm walking around a Disney park and they're playing Snoop Dogg. Well, now I'm gonna go head over to Disneyland. I'll be back at California Adventure for World of Color later on, but the video is not end here. So we came back into DCA. You know, there was kind of like a multiple hour long gap, but we're back. Magic Band Plus actually lights up while the World of Color show is going on. Kind of cool. I think World of Color is going to be more of a later in this trip kind of thing, only because I didn't place a reservation. I didn't join the virtual queue earlier. I forgot about it. I was marathoning Splash Mountain, so we didn't get a chance to see it today, but maybe another day we can, you know, see it. This is my first time in Avengers Campus at night. Pretty cool. Back in Michigan, it is almost 1 in the morning, so my vocabulary might be small, my brain might be a bit broken, but we got another hour at DCA. Let's just enjoy it. Just walking through Cars Land at night, it is very beautiful. Look at these rocks and the cars.
Welcome to the practice game.
Okay, who's ready?
Watch those pies.
This place at night is just beautiful. Just got off of Toy Story Midway Mania. It was a really fun little ride. It's not my favorite. I'm not super into the shooting dark rides, but it was still a fun experience. I'm glad I got to go on it tonight. Well, good night from Disney's Grand Californian Resort and Spa, and today at California Adventure. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.